That was Nuke right there. Hey, Nuke.
Hey,
amazing.
Have you ever wanted something so much more? So much more. I swear it's the truth. Sometimes it's the sound of my own voice through a microphone. But I can't stop, no, I can't ever give it up. To my own detriment, I'll never give it up, give it up. Music means so much more, so much, so much more. You've always been there and so much more. When words couldn't express, in my head it was all a mess. Music does so much more, so much more. So much more, so much more, so much more. So much more. How much time passes, you can't forget much more, because it is so much more. So much more than a memory. So much more. It was never ever hard to express, and so much more. So much more. You can take the first step to something you'll never regret. You can live up to so much more. So much more. So much, so much, so much more. So much more. Music can mean so much more. If you open that door, it's not a joke. You can make the image in your head much more. Open that door to so much more. You can feel it in your chest. Yes. So much more, so much more. So much more, so much more. It's not just so much more, so much more. Every day, every day. Take another step. More, more, so much more.
You killed that. Damn. That was Nuke right there. Hey, Nuke.
Hey,
amazing.
Nuke.
That right